Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a rigid base and getting track positioned. This matters because a stable foundation prevents warps later. First, cut plywood to size and add 3/4 framing for support. Once done, sketch the track plan and mark where power bus wires and turnouts go so wiring is straightforward. Then glue cork or foam roadbed and lay track loosely to check clearances. Test wheel run before fastening. Make sure to note elevation changes now, so grading is planned. You shape hills and valleys after the track fit is verified, because changes now are costly later. Cut and stack extruded foam, glue with contact adhesive, and sculpt slopes with a hot wire knife or rasp. Aim for gradual grades under 2% where trains climb. Once shaped, run a 16-18 gauge power bus underneath, and solder feeders to rail every 3 to 4 track sections so voltage stays steady. Then drape plaster cloth for a hard shell, and sand for natural contours. You finish by painting and adding texture because color sells realism. Start with muted earth tones and dry brush highlights. Once done, apply ballast between ties using diluted white glue. Use a stiff brush to settle grains and then spray water with plumber's glue to lock it. Place trees and structures, blending bases with scatter material, weather buildings and track with washes for age. If trains stall, clean rails, resolder any weak feeders, and check turnout alignment as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.